2007 Volkswagen Passat with a 3.6 liter. This is going to be alternator replacement. And of course, the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery, negative over here. This one is to jumper because the battery is discharged because the alternator is not charging. $17mm nut, lug nut, 99-cent tool. Remove this small. Now this is 17mm nut here, lug nut. Now I have jacked up the vehicle right there, and a very strong jack stand. After I remove the tire, the splash guard here, T25, 1, 2, 3, 4, and beneath the car here, one T25 here, and the all T25 here. I'm gonna be working on this side now. It's supposed to be a plastic cover here. The cover it's not here, so I will not be showing how to remove that because it's not here. Plastic that takes from here all the way to there. Someone was here before and they took it and they didn't put it back. Okay, 16mm socket here. I'm gonna take off the belt right now. That's the tensioner right there. And never place your fingers in between the pulley and the belt when you're doing this, because if the ratchet slip off your hands or something like that, your fingers are gonna get crushed in between, and that's gonna be so painful. Okay, I'm gonna unbolt the AC compressor here. 13mm bolt and 13mm bolt right there. Another one here, right there. 13mm socket. That one right there. Now I should have disconnected here before. I forgot it, so I'm gonna do it right now. Now that's how it looks with when you unbolt the AC. That's the alternator right there. Now this idler pulley here. 15mm socket bolt. Okay, next step, this wire harness here. I'm gonna be removing this clip here, and I'm gonna press with this right there. 8mm wrench, 8mm nut here. For the same wire harness here, this one that goes to the alternator. Here, 8mm nut. There. 13mm bolt and another 13. One here for the alternator and one here. I'm gonna be removing those. $13 millimeter bolt. And the one on top, I didn't get to take it out completely. Right here. Now it's very tight. I have to pry it from here with a big flathead screwdriver or something like that. This is a big screwdriver. Should be flathead, but I don't have any flathead right now. This is from Harbor Freight. Now, as I said, the connectors are still there. Alright. Seems like it came out. And I'm gonna be taking the connectors on the other side before trying to bring it down completely. 13mm nut for the positive cable alternator. Right there. And now I can take this off here. See if I can take the connector out. Right here. All you do is has a small tab here, and you pull it out like this. See? Like this, and pull it out at the same time. Now, see if I can bring this alternator out here. Right here. When this is sticking in too much and it doesn't fit on the bracket on the car, in that case, what I do is I put the bolt by hand and I tap it here on the head of the bolt. Not too hard, just tapping it, because otherwise you're gonna damage the thread in the thread of the bolt and also the head. Tap it here, and usually it comes out. If I can get the bolt inside this one, that here in the bottom. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more. Right there, I'm gonna get the bolt right there. Got it in alright. Beautiful. I wanna see if I can get go inside a little bit more. I'm not gonna tie it completely. Okay, and right now I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna try to install the connector. This is the connector here for the alternator. I want to make sure that I want to hear the click. Alright, beautiful. Now I want to install this one here, the positive. Make sure it goes all the way in by hand. See if I can tighten it a little bit more with this thing. Beautiful. Now, because this nut is so small, I'm going to put it with my bare fingers, no gloves. Now, this is a rotary wrench, which helps a lot. Beautiful, right there. Alright, right there. Okay, now the AC is on this side. Okay. Alright, right now I'm gonna install this one here. and the other one on the other side here too. Now, okay, now this eye roller here, eye roller pulley, 15mm bolt. Try to put the belt here, 16mm bolt again on this eye roller, on the tensioner. Finally put it in. Took me about 5 minutes. I mean, this is a lot of tension on this belt with these eye rollers and everything. About 5 minutes fighting here. It didn't want to go in. I'm gonna get the camera off here and show that's right there. That's how it goes. Comes here, goes around here. Here, comes here, and it goes right there. Goes around the alternator here, and it comes here. It goes here to the eye roller to come here. See, I don't know if that's getting it there. Okay, right now I'm only gonna put this plastic here, and that should be it, because I have only the tire left after this. Alright, I'm only gonna put the screws. Again, these are T25 screws. Okay, I just put this piece of plastic here, cover, a piece of splash guard, the T25 here. That's it. That's the cover right there. As I said at the beginning, that one was not there, the big one. Thanks for watching.